nigger, right? That's because you act like a nigger, B-boy. Alright? You act like a nigger, B-boy. I said to stay the fuck away from me. I said it!
Hey, would you mind lowering your voice?
I wasn't talking to you, alright? Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up.
Whether you're a woman or not.
I'm calling ugly black niggers the N-word. Yeah. Barack sent you? Barack sent you? I'm gonna have a restraining order against Barack and his bitch, Sally Kim, okay? Sally, shut the fuck up. I don't want to talk to you anymore. You're retard. You're mental retarded. You're mentally retarded. I don't want to fucking talk to you, Sally. Stay the fuck away from me. You're a fucking cunt. Okay, black vagina. I don't want to talk to a black vagina anymore. You know who you are? You're a black vagina. Yeah, you are? You know you're a black vagina. And everyone who fucks you, who fucks your black vagina, is a nigger. It's an automatic nigger. Okay? Every man who fucks your black vagina is a nigger. What are you? A mediator? Huh? A peacemaker? Are you a peacemaker?
She's going viral.
I'm going to get a restraining order against Sally Kim. She's stalking me everywhere I go.
You got a gun?
Everywhere I go.
You got a gun because you talking crazy.
I'm talking crazy?
Yeah.
What am I saying? I'm speaking the truth, right? Right? She has a black vagina. Not only does she have a black vagina, she is a black vagina. Okay? I told you to stay the fuck away from me, Barack. Stay the fuck away from me. Stay the fuck away from me, Sally. Okay? You fucking black vagina. You're a black cunt vagina. That is all you are. And that is all you will ever be. And you know this, but you don't want to face the truth, right? You hate it when someone tells